Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're excited about cashing out your Prizepicks winnings directly to Cash App, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App in 2025. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it quick and hassle-free for all users. Whether you're a fantasy sports pro or just trying this out, I'll walk you through it in simple terms so you can get your money fast. First things first, make sure you have the Prizepicks app updated to the 2025 version on your phone. Open the app and log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Account section. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find the withdrawal options. Next, select Withdraw Funds and choose Cash App as your preferred payment method. If it's your first time, you might need to link your Cash App account. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Just enter your Cash App email or phone number and follow the prompts to verify. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be a minimum threshold, like $10, so double-check that first. After entering the amount, review the details for any fees. Prizepicks might charge a small processing fee in 2025, so keep an eye on that. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to authenticate with a two-factor code sent to your phone or email. Once that's done, your withdrawal request is submitted. The transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025's faster processing, it could be quicker. Keep an eye on your Cash App for the funds to appear. If you run into any issues, like a pending status, check your Prizepicks account for updates or contact their support team. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App in no time. This method is secure and efficient, helping you enjoy your earnings without delays. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.